Hi everyone, Michael from Bullion Now, bullionnow.com.au. So as some of you would be aware, we released a video a few days ago that caught the attention of a lot in the industry, which was actually really good to see. It generated quite a lot of robust debate on both sides of the aisle, which again is really good to see. I'm always a big fan of robust debate, as long as it's done respectfully at all times, and that was really good. And it has been a generation of, I don't know how you term that, of several comments from some people around the industry, clarification of statements. Perth Mint's come out, and we'll actually link it below. Perth Mint came out and did a radio interview yesterday, I think it was, on the ABC. So we'll link that below. I strongly encourage you to have a review of that. Listen to it. Richard Hayes is on there, who's the CEO of Perth Mint. He explains a few things. Some of them, some of them are really good, and it really targets some of the arguments. Some of it I thought he didn't handle quite as well, but I mean, thinking on your feet when you're on an interview is always hard work. So my hat off to him. He didn't shy away from it. We'll put it that way. There's been other clarifications and comments made on, like I said, on both sides of the aisle. So it's been really good. So we pulled that video partly because we're pretty satisfied with where the industry is now standing, I suppose. And that possibly sounded a bit arrogant, and I didn't mean it to. In that both sides of the debate are now out there. So the people who are looking at the shortage have had their voice heard, and the people who are saying, well, actually we don't have a shortage, it's a production issue, have had that voice heard. So now it's a bit more balanced, and you can get out there, you can review both sides of the argument. There's plenty of detail out there on both sides of the argument, and some of it is really good and making really good points on both sides of the argument. And so now you've got the information where you can make the decision for you and where you want to stand on it. So fantastic. It's great to see the industry pull together like that, and to clarify some points of what people mean and how to move forward with the information that we've got. So that's the reason we pulled it. I hope it hasn't upset anyone that it's disappeared and you can't see it again. But all the information that we did discuss is now out there in the open forum. So that's it for now. Just wanted to comment on that. We'll talk again soon. Have fun.